Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Shark and robot vacuum won't connect to Wi-Fi. If you find the solution of this problem, then you will need to consider these things. First, check Wi-Fi compatibility. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is 2.4 GHz. The Shark and robot does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Second, reboot your router. Sometimes the issue may lie with your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. The third option is to reset the Shark and robot. For that, press and hold the home and dock button on the vacuum for about 10 to 15 seconds to reset it. Wait for the vacuum Wi-Fi light to flash, signaling it is ready to connect. And in the last, reinstall the Shark Clean app. Uninstall the Shark Clean app and reinstall from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Open the app, create or log in your account, and follow the setup process. So these are the possible fixes related to your problem. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.